What do you want?
No, mine.
Is that yours?
Yeah.
I thought that was Daddy's.
Jackson, can Daddy have that back?
Mine.
Wait, mine. Isn't it mine?
Yeah.
Can I have it? Can you give it to Daddy? I don't want the wrapping paper. I want the candy. I want the Hershey Kiss. Jackson, can Daddy have it? Are you opening it for Daddy?
Yeah.
Oh,
So you're gonna
thank
give
you.
it to Daddy once it's opened?
Thank you.
Yeah.
That's so nice of you.
Good boy.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
here, I'll get it for you. There you go.
You gonna give it to Daddy? Jackson!
That was Daddy's.
Hey! Aren't you supposed to... Jackson!
You gonna give it to Daddy now? What about Mommy? Can I have it? Is it yummy? Look at the camera and say yummy.
Jackson, can you say yummy? Thanks for giving me all the garbage. Oh, what a good boy you
You wanna
are.
give Daddy some carrots?
Oh, you'll give me the carrots, huh? Oops. Good job. Oh, you don't want to eat that?
You eat it.
No, I'll give that to you. No, you know what? I'll give you the carrot. No, do you want some more candy?
Daddy. Daddy.
Do you want some more candy?
Yeah.
How about a carrot?
More.
More carrot? Okay.